back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, guys, we're going to do another unboxing. Ayan. I recently purchased some stuff. So, ayan, please come and join me. And, yeah, let's do unboxing. I'm sorry, I have to lower my voice because my kids are sleeping. So, tulog na rin yung hubby ko. And, nakalimutan ko yung aking microphone dun sa room niya. So, hindi na pwede pumasok kasi magigising siya. So, let's go, guys! Our first package. By the way, we have 5 packages. So, let's go. Okay, so for our first item, ayan siya. This is an accessory. So, ayan. Ayan, pack for you with love. Oh my gosh. Ayan, accessory siya. So, it's gold-plated necklace. Mahilig pa naman ako sa mga accessories. Ayan. So, meron siyang adjustment. Wow, it's so nice. Ayan, meron na akong suot ngayon. And this is the new one. Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh, diba? Isn't it nice? Yeah, I'll put the prices in this video. Ayan. So cutie. Yeah. It's gold. By the way, I've purchased. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, ayan. So guys, I'll put the links in the description below. Oh, diba? It's so nice. Uso kasi ito ngayon, kaya ito yung in-order ko. Ito yung binili ko. Ayan, so perfect. Hindi naman din ako madalas tawag ito. Hindi naman ako madalas nag-aalahas. Ayan, pag nag-video lang tayo. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. Oh, diba? Ayan, go na tayo dyan. And then, our next box. Let's see. By the way, this jewelry has a cute little pouch. So, ayan, pag hindi natin ginamit, ibalik lang natin doon. We'll just have to put this. Okay, so this is the NYX spray. It's small, so I was thinking it's bigger. I thought this bottle is something like this, so medyo maliit siya. It's smaller than I expected. Ayan, but I'm going to keep it. I'm going to use it kasi wala na ako magamit. Ayan, actually wala tayong makeup ngayon. Lipstick lang tong gamit ko. So, I think mas okay kasi yung mata ko hindi masyadong maitim. Ayan. So, yan. It's a NYX matte finish. And then yung isa dewy finish na makeup spray or setting spray. Ayan. Next natin, I think this is the watch. So, let's go unbox it. So, ayan. Hindi ako nagkamali. It's the same. Ayan. Because when I bought this one, my son would like to get one for him. So, okay. So, here's how it looks. Okay. Wow. It's so nice. It's so cutie. By the way, guys, this one works very nice. Papasa siyang maging dupe ng Apple Watch. Ayan. Diba? Oh my gosh. I like this. At magkaiba sila. So, this one is different from this one. Ayan. They're almost identical, but oh yeah, I think the difference is just the band. Ayan. So it's really perfect. This is how it looks. Yeah, again, papasa siyang dupe ng Apple Watch. Ayan. And I'm gonna set it up tomorrow. And this one, I'm gonna give to Jacob. Ayan. I really love this one. Now, next is this one. Okay, I have this one. This is my old one. I got this from Best Buy and this is for $35. Ayan, and the last unboxing, ito yung binili ko. Ayan siya, and it fits okay. Ayan, so I haven't tried it yet. Okay, so ito yung nasa loob niya. This is what is included. This one, adapter for phone. This is the remote control. Yan. That's the difference with this one. This one kasi it doesn't have remote. So, yeah, it's so cute. It has a remote. Diba? Ayan. Perfect. Oh, diba? It's so cute. You see the difference? Though they have feet. Ayan. And this is the shortest it can be. And then this one, it's very portable. Ayan. So, I love this. And this is so perfect. The good thing, ito. So, the good thing about this one, it's very portable compared to the other one that I have. It has, and then you can extend it. It has a remote and meron pa siyang bag. I don't remember that one having a bag like this. So, ayan. Diba? Bongga. So, fairness, hindi siya amoy plastic. Oh, diba? It's so nice. Oh, I really love this accessory. So the next one, guys, last but not the least. So I ordered these cables for my phones, and then this one, So guys, this is LED UV nail lamp. So ayan, pag naglalagyan kasi ako ng nail polish, whenever I put nail polish, it's always a quickie one because like what you've heard, my baby wakes up sometimes na, and you know, my nails are still wet. So this is really perfect for moms. Ayan, o diba? It's nice. So it came with this, the adapter. Ayan. And this one, the manual. So ayan guys, it's just a quickie video. I just unboxed them for you. And yeah, like I said, this is cable, charging cable for iPhones. My baby's already crying. I think, ayan, this is what we unboxed today. This one, ayan, diba? So excited every time I unbox stuff from Amazon. Ayan, it's like Christmas every day. And since we're just at home, medyo willy na akong mamili ng mamili. Ayan, I do love this one. Pang Instagrammable ang ating picture. Oh, it's so nice. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for staying with me until my next unboxing. Bye!